artichoke stuffed baby Bella mushrooms. We just gonna oil you up with this dinner recipe like we oil this pan for these mushrooms. We're gonna make some T-bone steaks, some jumbo baked potatoes, and some French cut green beans and a side salad. This is Lady Empress and Mr. Hicks. We in the kitchen together. We're going to start with letting you know you need 9 ingredients to make this garlic butter clove grilled T-bone steak dinner. What a fabulous dinner to have when you're snowed in. Start with your smoked paprika, garlic powder, ground ginger, whole cloves, onion powder, lemon pepper, and some Maggies Seasonings, and of course some salted butter. Keep that minced garlic hanging out on the side so you can become real comfortable with it in the meat. Begin with a clean sink to wash your meat. Nice, clean, red meat is what you're going to see when I get it out of this package. Just wait for it. There it is. It's got nice, fatty outer portions and awesome marbling. My husband picked these steaks up from Kroger. Yep, from Kroger. You want to spend $24 for a steak at Outback or the Longhorn, honey, you can cook these right in your own kitchen. And let me tell you, you going to have some leftovers, okay? Because when you spend $24 per T-bone, you're going to get your money's worth at home. Now go in with your Maggies, and you don't need much, okay? You see, I'm at the wit's end on my bottle because this is a staple that we keep in our cabinet. But you want to make sure you get it on both sides. Rub them together real good. Get that meat real friendly with one another. They about to hang out for a little while at a nice little frying party on a griddle. Okay, the griddle is an Emerald Lagasse griddle. You will see that in a minute when I start oiling that up. But now you got that minced garlic. Remember, I told you keep it on the side so you can rub it on that meat and they can get real friendly. You know what I'm saying? Get it in there. Get all of in there in between. Okay. Then you're going to go in with your seasonings. Now, I don't care what order you use your seasonings because I gave you the ingredients you need. Don't worry about what I'm doing. Worry about what you're doing. Season your meat to your liking. Okay? Make sure that you get both sides. As you see, I'm seasoning the first side, then I go in to tenderize. And yep, I'm using our barbecue fork that we use outside on the grill because I'm doing these steaks like I'm on the grill outside, but I'm inside because it's snowing outside. I told you that at the beginning. Did you forget? Yes, this is a great snowed in meal. Now you're going to make sure you apply all your seasonings, honey, generously, okay? The way you like to season your meat, to your liking. Kind of how, many of us should live our lives to your liking. The last thing you want to add in here is these cloves, and these are whole cloves. You can strategically place them or place them wherever you want to. It's your steak. Who cares? Just long as you bringing that flavor in on them steaks. Now, here go the Emerald Lagasse little grill that we got. We done had this for years, honey. So let me go ahead and oil this thing up with the olive oil. And yes, don't be in the comments talking about she ain't tell us we needed olive oil because I'm showing you behind here. And then you want to add a couple of them little spats of butter on that grill because you want to oil that baby up so it can be ready to receive that meat just like you want to see it sizzling on this Emerald Lagasse grill. Now add your steaks. Don't you hear it? Don't you hear it sizzling? I know you hear it. Let's listen. Don't take long to get them lines in there. Pick it up and check it. And while you wondering, no, the bone is not hot yet. Like I said, this is like a grill. So now while this is getting its marks, I'm going to go ahead and season that fourth steak. The mushrooms is out of the oven now. I'm going to add a little couple of drops of some smoke on there, liquid smoke, to get that barbecue smoke taste. And you see them grill marks? You like that, don't you? See, you don't have to buy a griddle that has diagonal grill lines. It's all in how you place your meat on the grill. Then I took some butter and just, slathered it on there, so that it can feel the love. And then I just kind of took the fork and picked it up and turned it over because I wanted to see them grill lines from the other side. We almost done here, y'all. We almost done. This is going to be the most tender steak you have ever had in your life. So go ahead and thank me in the comments, because I know you're wondering how you can achieve that Outback or steakhouse taste. Now, I didn't open up these French green beans. Now, I know y'all gonna say she said French and green beans, but she got whole green beans and French and green beans. Don't worry about all that. My husband went to the store and picked up the wrong can, okay? But I'm still gonna make these beans the way I'm telling y'all. Now pay attention. Now I'm using a little spatula that I got, because I shop online, but that video gonna be for somewhere else, because we talking about grilling these steaks right now. Then I put me some butter in there, and I got me these new pans. Hubby got these for me, but I was gonna show y'all how the handle come off, but I ain't got time right now. We'll do another video on that. Now back to the steaks made on the grill. We are all done. You see that baked potato? Nope, I didn't show you how to make a baked potato, because you should already know how. So now y'all about to see Mr. Hicks dig in. He got his salad on the side, y'all, a whole bowl, and his Pepsi.
Old-fashioned Pepsi. Let's dig in.